This is the sets we're gonna be using. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How I designed this hair is linked in the description. First things first, you want to wash your hands. Wash and dry your hands. Or if you have a cotton one dissolver, then you can use that to just clean your nails. And after that, you want to start filing your nails. What this filing would help you do is whatever oil is on your nails, it will take it off and it will help the press-on nails last longer. This is a super glue I'm gonna be using. I like applying the glue on the nail, then putting it on my natural nails because I see that way I'm able to control the movement of the glue. When I just put the glue on my nails and try to gum the nails, it gets really messy. So I put the glue on the nails first and then apply it to my own nails. And you want to be careful so you don't get glue on your skin. I got glue on that finger, so I'm just using a nail file to file off the glue. We're done with one hand and it's already looking good. I'm just going to go ahead and fix the nails on the other hand. I'm done and ooh, I love these nails. This is looking so good. Pink is definitely my color. Yeah! This is the nails I used for my birthday shoot and this is me in my birthday shoot. If you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, the video is linked in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!